I built some, what do you call them, root trainers, so I'll be using them today. So I've got to sow some peas and beans, bull beans. So I know it's early January, but what I do is grow them under cover and then transplant out and then grow them under plastic and fleece and everything else. So I get an early crop. Anyway, let's get started with that. These are your root trainers. They they're just like any old, just like your ordinary modules, but what they do is they open up, so you have the ability to, instead of ripping your plants out and then splitting the plastic, which is what I do on ordinary modules, in the tray, compost in, sow your seed, and then when it's time to go out in the garden, you open it up. So press it down into the holes, and not too much. I've got some new seeds. We got now these are our main crop. I'm going to sow them early under loads of protection, so they're going to be indoors probably for about 3 weeks. That's Karubi Dumasan. I have no idea what that means. But anyway, yeah. So it's got a purple flower, and you eat them as a monge too. Which some monge twos I really like, and I like the purple flowered peas. But anyway, so I'm going to be sowing some of those. And Douce Provence, there's a theme running here. So yeah, this is a hardy early pea. You can overwinter it. So this should do a lot. It should be easier to handle this time of year. There's no point sowing any of these in the ground. They'll just die. They'll just rot. And some crimson flowered broad beans. Now you can put these in the ground, but I'm going to be putting them in the root trainers. So crimson flowers. So I'm doing it for the flower as much as the pea. As you can see, picture, there's only 4 beans in a pod, so that's less than your standard bean, but nonetheless I'm sacrificing a little in productivity for pretty flowers. Start off with crimson flowered. We'll do 1 to each module. Douce Provence. I'm going to do two to each module, each cell. Karubi Dumasan. and then cover it with a little bit of soil. Pop in your labels, otherwise you'll forget what they are, and give it some water. These broccoli all season collection, which is 4 different broccolis in individual packets, which is I've got wrong with this in the past. Sometimes you get it's like broccoli, more than one broccoli variety in one packet, but they're not in the individual sachets. So so this one actually does that. So there's some advice for some consumer advice there. Anyway, I'm going to be sowing the summer purple broccoli, which is harvested in June to October, according to the packet. So I'll be sowing that now. I'll put 3 in each module, just to make sure. And thin them out when send them out to the strongest one when we get to when they've germinated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.